Hey everybody, it's Kate with Crate Insider, and we have Christmas. I was about to say Halloween. We have Christmas next week, so there's still time in this next couple of days to get your orders in. And for most of the country, we can probably get those out to you. You can always check stock on our website. But I just got back from PRI, came back on Sunday. I was supposed to come back Saturday, but you know, as it does in Indy, sometimes it'll snow, and sometimes that means flights get rescheduled or canceled, and you know, hey, things happen. But I sure am glad to be back home in North Carolina, where it's still chilly here for us, but it's a heck of a lot warmer, and we don't have any snow here. But I do have a fancy Christmas tree. This is our shop Christmas tree right behind me, and I have some fun things to talk about. In fact, I'm gonna have a lot more fun things to talk about in videos coming up, because I did see a few new products at PRI, which I will be bringing to you. But as many of you know, if you've watched for a while, I am not a premature promoter. I don't like to promote things until I have them in hand and that they are available for you. So I'm gonna have some cool stuff coming up. And in the meantime, these are some of my favorite things, favorite products that we have here in the store that, you know, maybe a little on the bigger side, I suppose, for some of these items for Christmas gifts, but just to kind of run through them. This first one here, this was an award-winning product last year that we came out with, or actually during this year, and this is the dual air-fuel ratio gauge from Longacre. Now it has everything that you need all in this box to be able to set this up on your car. So when you're really looking to be able to dial in your performance and be able to check your air-fuel ratio and all of that, then we have another video on that. We'll make sure we link that somewhere in the description, and you'll be able to check that out. Ben Baker does a great explanation of that, but it really can help you take your performance to the next level, because you want to make sure that if you want to get the most, especially out of a crate engine, you want to have every bit of that dialed in as best you possibly can. Now, another item, now this would be a great little stocking stuffer right here, and it's always been a popular product since we started carrying it, and this is our Allgaier bump stop. And what's cool about this one is it comes with the bump stop, and it comes with the packers as well. And with this particular bump stop, you could actually cut it, and you can adjust how much resistance it has by using those packers. You can also put it back together and use both halves. I mean, all of that. It's very adjustable, but also it's long lasting. So a lot of times bump stops, you know, you can only use them for a little while before they're worn out. And this way it's not the case with our Allgaier bump stop. Now, for you guys that are putting new bodies on your car, you might want to take a look at our edge roller. So this is our Hubco edge roller, and this has been a very popular product for being able to make those edges really, really nice. And so then, anyway, it's another great product that you might want to put on your wish list and have this in your stocking, or maybe it's something you want to pick up for yourself. Another one of my favorites, in fact, I did see DRP at the PRI show. And this is the DRP mini grease gun. Now, what I really like about this one personally, you are able to put a cartridge in here. This one doesn't have anything in it. But what I've found is what's great about the syringes, they're awesome. You know, I've got a couple of different versions of syringes here with grease, so you can do that precision greasing. I also have a big grease gun here that you can use for greasing your bearings. But what I especially like about this one, I have smaller hands. And so I have a hard time with the syringes. My hands just aren't big enough. And same way with the bigger grease gun, but with this one is easy enough for me to use. So if you have a family member, if you've got any of your kids or your wife, if anyone's helping you with greasing your bearings, it is really easy to be able to hand them the mini grease gun, and they can do it, you know, without any difficulty. I also like that it has this pin that sticks out here, and it ends up being universal. So whether you're doing bearings, let's say for like a mini sprint, or you're doing them for a dirt late model, it really doesn't matter. You are able to use this same grease gun because it's got a universal fitting on here, rather than having to have like a special one that's just for like wide 5 bearings or something like that. So this mini grease gun, if you don't have one now, it is one of my favorite products, and I feel like it's very well used. Also, I've gotten some great reviews. And then we talk about my favorite things. So right here is my Kaiser wheels. I love my Kaiser wheels, of course. And this of course is the black beadlock wheel. I'm going to have something new, by the way, coming out with Kaiser. So keep your eyes open. As soon as I get those in, I'll tell you more about them, and that'll be really cool. In the meantime, it's not a different wheel, but it's an attachment you're going to love. So just a little bit of a hint there. But our wheels, we've got them in polished. We have black. You might be able to see behind me. We also carry the half wheels. We have wheel covers. All of those are great, great things to have. So that's kind of just wanted to highlight a few things. We also have a few helmets on the shelf too. We have limited sizing, and so you might want to take a look at that. But helmets are always a great gift idea. It's always important to stay safe. You want to be able to live to race another weekend. So helmets are a great choice, and we've got some here on the shelf. So check the sizing on that of the ones that I have. So that's kind of all I have for you this week. Do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe over on YouTube, hit the follow button over on Facebook. In the meantime, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.